Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to the channel. So this video is more so going to be for the King Ranch owners, and the reason why I say that is because I'm finally conditioning / cleaning my King Ranch seats. What I'm going to do is post 2 or 3 different options down in the description below to give you a few options of great King Ranch seat conditioners / cleaners. And so what I'm using today in this video is actually from the actual King Ranch saddle shop online. It's their seat cleaner and conditioning set. So it comes with leather cleaner. All right, that's step 1, and this is their leather conditioner, step 2. All right, so what I have today is all these seats. I've already done most of the work. These seats have already been cleaned with the leather conditioner, or I'm sorry, the leather cleaner. I don't know why I said that. So I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but there's a line right here and there's a line right here going down north south of the center console. All right, and so this half is actually going to be cleaned and conditioned. All right, so step 1 and 2 have been complete from this line forth. All right, let me go ahead and get in the back to just to show a little better visual. I'm going to go ahead and shine the light below. All right, so like I said, from the center onto the left, this portion has been cleaned and conditioned. As you can see, yeah, it looks a little darker of tint. This middle portion right here, about these 2 inches right here, nothing has been done to this actual 2-inch strip. All right, now to the right of this line, so this portion has been cleaned by the leather cleaner, and that is about it. When you're going through these steps, all you have to do is use microfiber, as you can see right there. You know, microfiber towels like those, nothing too crazy. That's all you need. All right, so to the right of this strip, this portion has been just cleaned. This center portion right here has nothing has been done. And then to the left of this line, it's been cleaned and conditioned. So as you can see, a little darker of tint. Leather looks in much better condition. The King Ranch edition does require some maintenance on the seats. What I wanted to do was just show you the difference between conditioned King Ranch seats and non-conditioned and just uncleaned. All right, so there's definitely a need for you to sustain your King Ranch seats and interior. So what you're gonna do is grab a microfiber towel, go ahead and use the leather cleaner right here. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and spray it either on the seat or on the microfiber towel, it doesn't matter. Give it a good rub down and let it dry out. I let it dry since yesterday night. All right, so this is obviously dried out. You can actually tell, the camera probably won't be able to pick it up, but it's a little more porous. You can see a little more cracks within the leather. But once it's actually conditioned, that's where the cracks and the leather actually look much better. All right, so after cleaning your King Ranch interior, you're going to go ahead and let it dry, and they're going to take a different microfiber towel, and you're going to give it about a one or two coat of the leather conditioner. So this stuff's actually really good. There's maybe a few others out there that really take well to these King Ranch seats and the King Ranch interior, but this one obviously is from the King Ranch saddle shop. So this conditioner really is soaked in well from this leather, and as you can see the difference. I mean, this camera is not really doing a good job, but as you can see, there's a line, 2 lines going down the center of the center console, and that's enough to hopefully show you why there's a benefit of you cleaning and conditioning your King Ranch interior. All right, so guys, hopefully I was able to explain well. Just something you can do to take care of your interior of your King Ranch. Some people beat it up a little more than others. It's okay. These interiors are built for longevity, especially the King Ranch interiors. The leather's a little more, I don't know. It's different. It's a little different from the Platinum, different from the Limited, different from the Lariat. just their regular leather interior. Probably nothing too special, but special enough so on the King Ranch brand on the interior of these trucks. Guys, let me know what you think. If you have any other cleaners, conditioners, go ahead and post them down below. Any comments, let me know. But if you are a King Ranch owner and have not sustained or cleaned, conditioned your interior, give this a shot. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, your interior will take care of you as much as you take care of it. All right, so until next time, see y'all.